To be African is not merely an expression of where we live,
but also how we see ourselves
and the connections we share.
Extending beyond simply geography.
Standing on the edge of a new era of growth and prosperity.
It's our energy and expertise that will drive our potential possibilities.
with our population set to double within 3 centuries.
Our people will be one of the youngest internationally.
And blessed are these people, as this time will come with great technology.
Technology that fosters connections in a way that we are not previously a possibility, and subsequently enabling the free flow of knowledge to this young society.
With this development of African intellect,
We can renovate and globally demonstrate
Our potential productivity.
that will create our prosperity.
And alleviate poverty.
Africa is duty-bound to nurture the abundant creative and intellectual abilities of her sons and daughters.
This act alone increases the value of Africa's raw materials.
breaking the tragic cycles of poverty and war that plague our continent.
Poverty is not the absence of money.
It results from an absence of knowledge.
Despite a worldwide economic crisis, African economies continue to rise, on an average of 5% a year, forsaking preconceived ideas.
And as local markets continue to modernize, becoming more optimized,
The living standards are expected to contemporize.
Across our Africa continent,
In order for future growth to be sustainable and bring about a truly significant transformation in society,
It is important that benefits are shared equitably among all the people, especially the young, who will drive the success.
the key to accomplishing the vast potential
Currently within Africa's grasp
is identifying agents of change who feel a deep sense of responsibility to make a positive difference in their communities and the world at large.
Africa Unbound.